Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today, I had the weirdest order I could have possibly done. I don't even know if it's the weirdest order. It was part of a route, and the delivery, it should have been, in my opinion, pretty straightforward, but I guess the world did not want me to have it easy today. Like, I was increasingly frustrated throughout the entire day, but during this order, I can't believe how bad I screwed up, to be honest. Today, I took a Walmart package route, a .com route is what a lot of people refer to it as on Walmart Spark. What happened during this delivery route is that they do is they give me a bunch of orders and they have me go and drop off the corresponding packages. It was paying pretty well. It was like $75 for like a couple hours of work. So I was like, solid. What ended up happening with that was actually just mind-blowing. So I end up like pretty close to the end of the route, right? Like I'm on like the fourth to last stop or something like that. And this particular stop isn't a normal stop. It's a assisted living facility and one with like 4 different floors or something like that. Now, what it said in the instructions, I thought was pretty crystal clear. Leave it at the front desk and the front desk people will handle it. Okay, pretty straightforward. Oh my God. It's like the world decided that I wasn't supposed to have a good day today or something. So first off, this person had like 4 packages and they were not small packages. Like I basically needed a wagon to bring them where they needed to go. And then once I get to the front desk, they're telling me that I have to bring it up to their room. What? Now, I don't have a problem with bringing it up to their room, but don't tell me to leave it with the front desk and then tell me to bring it up to their room. Like, which is it? Pick a lane, man. Anyway, the way this guy explained getting to this person's room was from the front desk, you gotta make a left, then a right, and then another left, and then you're gonna find the elevator to go to the 4th floor, and then you could deliver it to their room. Pretty straightforward, right? And that's exactly what I did. I dropped off the packages to the 4th floor, I go do the whole photo thing, and I go right back down the elevator. Now, when you go left, right, left, the logical thing to do to get back to where you were is go right, left, right. I was in the process mentally of dealing with a lot of crap, right? Like I'm doing the work, but I'm not there mentally. Like I got a lot on my mind. So what I do is I go left, right, left, and look at myself confused, like, why aren't I back in the parking lot? Maybe I just need to go a little further. Maybe I just need to go further and I'll hit the front desk, right? I end up on the other side of the property. I then get so frustrated with the inside of the building that I start to walk around it. And apparently not the short way. Oh, no. Like, I really thought about it later, and if I turned right and then left through a gate, I would have been right by where I was. Nope. Genius me decided, I'm gonna go left and see if I could find the parking lot because it was left, right? So obviously the further left I go, the closer I'll be back. No, that's not how directions work. I ended up going around the entirety of this assisted living community on foot, trying to find my way back to my car for 20 minutes. I didn't even know Walmart wouldn't have a problem with that. Like, in my mind, I'm like, isn't Walmart gonna give me shit for, like, delaying the orders for this long? Nope, apparently not. Heck, you just heard it. That was just the app now. Still getting orders just fine. I can't believe myself today. Like, I'm usually better about that stuff. Again, I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot of stuff going on, but I figured I'd be at least past that. Regardless, that's gonna be it for this video, I guess. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe. I don't want to do a whole lot of plugs today. I honestly am just not in an emotional state to really promote stuff right now. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. And until next time.